Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Professor of Biology. Today we will discuss about two major biomolecules. One is carbohydrate, another one is lipid. So, what is carbohydrate? It is an organic biopolymer. It is made with some small units which is called monosaccharide. We already heard that saccharin terms. Saccharin means sugar. So, monosaccharides are the small sugar molecules. Carbohydrate is an organic compounds made of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. And also examples of carbohydrates like glucose, fructose, starch, cellulose, lignin. And lipids, which is an hydrophobic organic molecules. It is made with two monomeric subunits. Mono means single, mer means forms. So lipid polymer is made with two monomers. One is fatty acid, another one is glycerol. So examples of lipids are fats, steroid, oils, phospholipids, glycolipids, etc. So carbohydrate, the basic body's primary energy source. So we take glucose for energy. We already drink glucon-D for the energy production. So carbohydrate is a basic energy source. Monosaccharides are the small unit like glucose, fructose. Disaccharides, which is made with two monosaccharides like sucrose, lactose, maltose, and polysaccharides, which are made with multiple monosaccharides. This is the monosaccharides, is a single unit. You can see that this is a disaccharide, 2 unit, and polysaccharide, multiple units. So these are the examples of structures of monosaccharides: glucose, fructose, galactose, and these are the disaccharides: sucrose, lactose, maltose, and cellulose is a polysaccharide. Simple versus complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrates are easy to digest. So quick digestion is occurred in simple carbohydrates. But the complex carbohydrates are slow digestion and sustain energy from whole grains and legumes. Cellulose and starch. Starch is a storage molecules of plants. Starch is a carbohydrate made of glucose molecules, but it is less weak compared to cellulose. Cellulose is a carbohydrate made of glucose molecules. It is found in plants, mainly in the plant cell wall and the plant cell fiber. So while it is used as a structural molecules, it provides strength to the plant. Dietary fiber and indigestible is a soluble fiber which has lower cholesterol and regulates the blood sugar in diabetes. The soluble fiber, eating of soluble fiber is beneficial, and insoluble fiber which promotes the digestive health and regularity, and these are the intake capacity. Recommended 25 to 35 grams daily for an adult. Functions of carbohydrate. First, it is an energy source. So it provides quick energy, and it is a energy storage also. So stored as glycogen in animals and starch in plants. Structural support, it provides a structural support like cellulose provides the strength of the plant. Cell recognition, it helps to cell communication through the glycoproteins. Glyco means carbohydrate, protein means protein molecules, and glycolipids, here also it is a combination of lipids and carbohydrate. And metabolic intermediates serve as a building blocks for nucleotide as well as amino acids. Lipids, these are diverse molecules with various roles. Triglycerides, which stores the energy, provide insulation and organ protection. Phospholipids is a part of a membrane. In membrane, there is a PLP layer, protein, lipid, protein. So phospholipid with lipid plus phosphate is a component of the cell membrane. And steroids regulates the hormone as well as the cell signaling. So types of fatty acids: saturated fats, which in room temperature it is solid and mainly from animal source. Monosaturated fats, one double bond found in olive oil and avocados, and polysaturated fats with multiple double bonds includes the omega-3 or omega-6. Functions of lipids. So it is also a biomolecule, so it is an energy source. Lipid stores energy for long term. It is a structural component because it is present in the cell membrane. For insulation and protection, like for allergic reaction, steroids helps to protect us. In our nasal drops, there is little volume of steroids. So steroids helps in case of allergic reaction, protecting against allergic reaction. And for hormonal production, lipids are precursor for hormones like steroids, testosterone, estrogen, and vitamins absorption. Some vitamins like A, D, E, K are fat soluble, so it is absorbed in fat. Carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. Glycogenesis is a converts glucose to glycogen for storage. Lipogenesis transfers the excess carbs into triglycerides. Glycogenolysis breaks down the glycogen back to the glucose as energy, and lipolysis, which is a fatty acids released from the triglyceride for fuel production. So dietary recombination. This dietary recombination for optimal health, the balance of carbohydrate as well as lipid is required for a healthy lifestyle. So balancing act for optimal health, carbohydrate and lipids plays crucial roles for wellness. Focus on the quality and quantity rather than the avoidance, and informed eating supports for energy as well as for longevity and health.